Hello and welcome to my channel Gouache. Immerse yourself in a world of colors. Let's learn to create a beautiful night sky in watercolors. You can find the list of materials in the description box below. You can start with the supplies that are available with you. Here I've used an A6 size sheet for this. For the skies, we're going to use a wet on wet technique. So I'm going to make 3/4 of the paper damp with clean water. Make sure that there are no puddles formed and the paper is slightly glistening. I'm starting with the first color, Hansa Lemon, followed by Red Light. That is going to be a light pinkish red color. As you can see, it is really diluted. We do not want to make this layer dark. And the next color is going to be Azure, which is a lighter shade of blue. And the next layer is going to be Ultramarine Light. And the last color is going to be Lamp Black. Now this is just the base layer for the sky, so we do not want to make this really dark. Keep it light and soft. As we know, watercolors dry much lighter. We're going to layer another layer of colors over the first layer that we had just created. The second layer is going to be done with the same set of colors, Hansa Yellow, Red Light, Azure, and Ultramarine Light, followed by Lamp Black. If you feel there's a hard edge between two colors, you can soften it out with a damp brush. As we layer the colors, we can see the sky is turning much more beautiful and vibrant. Now we're going over with a third layer of the colors. This time I'm mixing Hansa Yellow with a little bit of Yellow Deep, and we'll continue working from the top towards the center. I'm starting with my Lamp Black and continuing to pull it towards the center. Rinse my brush in water, release the pigments, and continue to blend it with the Ultramarine Blue. Next, I'm starting with my Red Light. Now it's become much more dark and vibrant. I'm pulling a few strokes of the red light into the blue as well. I'm making the yellows a bit more darker and a little more of my red light. I'm pulling a few strokes of the red into the blue as well. Now, loading my brush with Ultramarine Blue, I'm pulling a few slanting strokes in the upper part of the sky just to add some interest. I'm lifting up the yellow from the right side corner just to make it a little bit lighter. Now that our vibrant skies are complete, let's start painting the mountains. We'll be using both the blues and the black to create the mountain color. I'm using Azure, Ultramarine Blue, and a little bit of black. Draw a random mountain shape using the tip of your brush and fill the lower side completely with the mixture that we had just created. I'm adding a little bit of extra black to the mixture that we had created and painting over the blue randomly. Add a little bit of black to the mixture and paint it right below the mountains. Use a thin brush to load the white gouache and create a little moon in the sky. Peel the masking tape gently once the painting is completely dry. And here we have our beautiful night sky in watercolors. If you enjoyed this painting, let me know in the comments below, and do subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more such paintings. You can find more of my watercolor paintings in my Instagram page. My handle is Jacinta_art. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next video.